Ladka or Baid Niswart Braham ki Kahani. Ek gaon mein ek bada, pyara pedta. Ek chota ladka hardin uske pasa ata, uski shakon pi chalon ko kata, or uski chaya main sojata. In a small village, there was a big loving tree. A little boy would visit every day, climbing its branches, eating its fruits, and resting in its shade. Sound of a child's laughter, birds singing and leaves swaying. Tree, warm lair pyare. Shakon pichado kelo or kushraho. Climb my branches, play, and be happy. Laughter fades, time passes. The first visit, need for money. Narrator soft but seriatha hogaya ab us kelnika wakna haida. Ikdin wubke pasaya. The boy grew up, he didn't have time to play anymore. One day, he came back to the tree. Almer pyare, chayamin aram come my dear, rest in my shade. Boy, wuja paisa chaye, wuja dunia main sufal banahay. I need money, I want to be successful in life. Tree merfal tudlo, when he bechdo. Tumhari pas paisa jaga. Take my apples, sell them, you'll have money. Sound of apples being plucked, footsteps fading away as the boy leaves. Pedkushtaki usnamadadki, parladga wapas nahiaya. The tree was happy to help, but the boy never returned. The second visit. Need for a house, sound of footsteps approaching after many years. Bohot salbad, ludkawapasaya. Abwol bada admim chukada. Many years later, the boy returned. Now he was a grown man. Tree, chayar, rest in my shade. Man, wujagar bananahai. Mer parverkili. I need a house for my family. Selfless and loving. Mary Shaking Katlo, Unsagar Banalo, cut my branches, build your home. Sound of wood being chopped, heavy logs being carried away. Parab Surfik Tanabachoda, the tree was happy, but now only a trunk remained. The final visit, realizing the truth. Slow, tired footsteps, a weak, old voice. Bohot Salbad, Latkawapasaya, Abwa Buddha Hochukada. Many years later, the boy returned once more. Now, he was an old man. Tree? Mir pasabdenigikuchnahi bacha, beta. I have nothing left to give you, my son. Old man, gentle nahi chahiye, bas baithniki jaga chahiye. I don't need much, just a place to rest. Aw, meritanape baith jao aramkaro. Come, sit on my stump, and rest. Soft peaceful music fades, wind blowing gently, birds chirping in the distance. Moral of the story? Hamaksar nugon ki kurbanian nahi dekte jahum bina, kisi shart ki pyar karta hain.